This is Bashkortization for English speakers, and in this video I recommend you two books you need to read for better understanding of Bashkorts and Bashkort history. The first book is written by Elton Donnelly and named The Russian Conquest of Bashkiria 1552-1740. This book describes how Russian Empire occupied Bashkort lands, genocide of Bashkorts by Russian Empire, and everything connected with these conquests. Despite of genocide and other war crimes from the side of Russian Empire, Bashkorts struggled for their independence for approximately 200 years, and not all Bashkorts were killed. Some of them are still alive. The second book is written by Zaki Validi-Tagan and named Memoirs, National Existence and Cultural Struggle of Turkestan and Other Muslim Eastern Turks. The first half of this book contains memories of Zaki Validi, who was one of founders of Bashkortostan and member of the first government of the national statehood of Bashkorts. Zaki Validi can be described as one of the founders of Russian federalism. Bashkortostan was the first ethnic republic inside former Russian Empire, and because of Bashkortostan, Russian Empire became a Russian Federation, where ethnic minorities started to have more rights than before. You can find links to both these books in PDF in Russian in description to this video. Unfortunately, I don't have English versions of these books in PDF, but I found these books in English at amazon.com. And you can find links to these books at amazon.com in English in description to this video. Thank you for your attention.